Welcome back to another Team Little Face video. I am DJ. Chrissy is behind the camera. She is here though. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how my helmet is set up for moto vlogging. And so what's special about this setup is this allows me to capture Chrissy's voice as well. I'm going to hop into it and show you how we do it. So there are a few things that you're going to need for this installation. One of the most important parts is going to be your Sena. This can be a Sena, or for you Cardo fans out there, you can have your Cardo headset too as well. Babe and I, we got matching Sena 50s, so we're going to use that today. So let me flip my helmet around here. All right, so for the GoPro, you have to have either the media mod, which is what I'm using, or you have to have the mic adapter, and it has to be the actual GoPro one, unfortunately. Now let's get to the cabling and the speaker. So for the cables, you're gonna need this 3.5 millimeter, 2 males, and then you're gonna need this Y adapter. So this is 2 females to 1 male. So those are the cables that you'll need, and I'll leave links down in the description for the ones that I bought. For the speakers here, you can either do the speakers like I did, or you can just have a wired headset. Either one works, but I did the internal speakers here. So essentially, the installation is pretty straightforward. Install your Sena, install your GoPro. It's like the hardest part. If you're gonna do internal speakers, go ahead and do those. Essentially, it's the same installation process as the speakers that come with the Sena. And so then we hop into wiring everything up. So on the Sena, on my particular one, so this is the audio out port here on the Sena base. Keep in mind, if you plug anything in here, it will deactivate the speakers that come with the Sena. That's why we got separate speakers or use a separate headset. So essentially, your Y splitter is going to plug into that. So we'll just plug that in. And then you got your 2 female ends here. Either your speakers or your headset, whichever one you're doing, is going to plug into one. And then the other male is going to plug into the other side there. And then this plug here is going to go to the GoPro, whether that's the media mod or a mic adapter. So we'll just plug that in, and that's it. That's all the cabling. That's everything that you need to do. Obviously, tuck all your wiring in, make it look tidy so you don't have wires flinging out as you're riding. So I will go ahead and do that and then give everyone a final look. All right, so there we go. I got all the cables in, cheek pads are back in. So this is kind of a final look of the installation. So you can see the center there. The red wire, I actually purposely bought this in red because that's my favorite color. So I do have that exposed. If you wanted to hide that, you can definitely do that. Obviously, it's gonna be different for your helmet. So now what we're gonna kind of talk about is how does this work? How does this all come together? There's an important setting in the Sena app on your phone that you're gonna need to enable to make all of this work. And I just wanna let everyone know, if you do not do this, you will only capture the person you're riding with, their voice, not yours. So you need to go do this. So we're gonna hop over to the phone and launch the Sena app. So then what we're gonna do here is, at the top here, you see where it says Bluetooth. We're gonna swipe over, and the option that you want is called side tone. So go ahead and enable that. As you can see, mine's already enabled, but just make sure you have that turned on, and then you are good. We'll give you a couple of clips of what this sounds like.
Oh, there's Maserati.
Oh.
It's a Ferrari. McLaren.
Like, that whole building right there is a florist shop, or that's what it looks like. A florist and Verizon.
Yeah, that's so weird. Why the two?
Maybe they share.
They were like, "Yo, you want to go in on this building together?
You want to go halvesies?"
Look at this car though.
So thank you for joining me. Really do appreciate this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel here. Leave a comment down below if you have any additional questions about this. Again, we'll have all the links down in the description, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.